All right, bro. So, for today, wanted to continue your lesson in the key of F. I think we should start working in the key of F also. And with time, we're going to be playing other keys. I'm going to show you other keys. Okay, so you'll be working on yourself. Okay, so this is the key of F. We have it on the third string here. Okay, okay, you have it here on the first string. Okay, so when you start from here to run your scale from these six strings here, do, re, mi, open note, fa, sol. Okay, you can, you are playing from these open notes 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so you can start from this root. This is the key of F. Do, re, mi, open note, fa, sol, okay, so again. Do, re, mi, open notes. Fa, sol, open notes. Okay. 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 So that is a okay. So that is a key of F from this top here to this down here. So the first string here. Okay. But you're gonna play it on horizontal way like this. Do, re, mi, fa, la, ti. Okay. So when you get to this place, you take your index finger there. Okay. Start from there. Play. Do, re, mi, fa. You stop at the second string there. Okay. From this root now. Okay. Now you are playing 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. On this shape now. Start from the fourth string there. Play. Come down to this chord now, to this fret now. Okay. So when you get to this, when you stop at this place now, from here you can play upward. Okay, from this here you can play third string, third string, fourth string, fourth string, fourth string, do. Okay, from here you can climb up to that root note here. Okay, so from here you can play again. Do, re, mi, fa. So from here you can play again downward. Okay, so this is another root for key of F. Okay. Okay, from this here. Okay, so from here you can climb up. Okay, so from here you can play again. So you come down again, come to E shape again. So that is what you're going to practice. Make sure you watch it carefully and practice very well. Okay, whenever you don't understand, get back to me.